Welcome to Flipside Market Singapore Galaxy Masterclass.
Okay, hi, good evening everyone. Thank you for joining us today. So let's start today's session. Today we're going to talk about multi-device experience and Samsung services. So we're going to start with Samsung account first. May I just see quick raise of hand and see how many of you are actually Samsung account user?
Wow, there's a lot. Okay, good.
So are you a Samsung user? No. Which phone do you use? Apple. All right, good.
Okay.
So I hope today after the class you will. Okay. Thank you. Right. So all of you are Samsung device user, but just to confirm that you have ever logged into Samsung account before. Yep. Okay. So since all of you are Samsung account user, can I do a quick check? What is the benefit of Samsung account? Points. Okay. Redeem vouchers. The backup, yes. All of the above. Copy paste. Nice. That's the best answer. Double copy paste. All right.
So I think sometimes they will ask some questions and some people will have to answer.
Correct. So actually, you have already moved 2 steps forward from where we want to start, right? So Samsung account is basically what we wanted to talk about. Just to quickly go through. Right? The moment you go to the settings, the very first thing you're going to see is your name over here, and that's where you know that you have logged into Samsung account before, right? So the points is a later part. The backup is something that is important that Samsung account provides you. So just in case, if you have your colleagues, family members, friends have been using Samsung phone but have never logged into Samsung account before, do advise them to do it because it's very important. So normally what happens when you buy a Samsung phone, you want to download apps, you go to the Play Store and you use your Gmail address. But this is something that people skip because they realize it's not really important. So they just want to have a Play Store, key in their email address for Play Store and move on. But do you need a separate email for Samsung account? Actually not. You can use your existing Gmail account for Samsung account. So one of the best things that happens is the Samsung Cloud, it auto backs up your data for every 24 hours, right? If your backup is on. What else does the Samsung account offers? Find My Phone. Let's take a look at Find My Phone. What you can do if you have turned it on. So of course, allow this phone to be found, remotely unlock, send the last location, retrieve calls and messages, and especially the offline finding, right? So do you know where to go for this? Right? Now let's take a look what happens when you go to the SmartThings Find. Malik, what can we see here?
All right, so here you can see is the map of where my phone is. Yeah. So as you can see, it's in Arab Street, which where we are at right now.
And what else we can do?
Okay.
On this page.
So here, right here, we can actually there's a few options as you can see here. We can actually make it ring to find it, where is it, if it's near, and then we can lock the phone so that people can't use it, or we can also track the location, and we can also erase data in case you already think that, okay, decided this phone is a gone case, I cannot find it.
Nobody gonna give me back.
Erase everything so that fellow cannot get my data. All right. You can also choose to back up before you erase, and also if your call history is very important, then you can also retrieve. Which I think most people use WhatsApp call nowadays. All right, so here is also you can unlock your phone and also extend battery life. So to extend battery life, it's actually some sort of like a power saving mode, which won't back up your data to the Samsung Cloud if you turn on this mode. Yeah.
All right. So, but just now you were looking at this phone, right? He's finding his phone through the same phone that he's using right now. So the question is, if I've already lost my phone, then how do I go into this, right? So that's where you just go to smartthingsfind.samsung.com and you log in using your Samsung account, right? So you can use your tablet, your laptop, your iPad, or your phone, or anything that you have, as long as the device offers you internet, right? So just go to the smartthingsfind.samsung.com, log in using Samsung account, and find the phone that you're looking for. All right, so next we
Sorry.
go back.
Yeah. Okay. This unlock here, is it? Right.
Right?
So it will unlock your phone remotely. Yeah.
If you forget your
yeah.
unlock method.
So for instance, like if you're locked with the PIN or password, like my phone is locked with password, so that means it could be alphanumeric. So if I forgot, I can actually unlock it from here using the web browser from the laptop or the tablet.
All right.
Okay.
Or if let's say the person who answered the call, the one who found, and say, sorry, I'm not going to return the phone to you. Can you just unlock for me and let me use? And then also you can do that. Right. Next. So we're going to move on to the next topic now from the Samsung account. We're going to just see anybody using Samsung phone and a watch. No one here. Wow. Okay. So this is a time we're going to sell the watch to you. No, just kidding. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a group selfie before we move on to the next. So Eric, let's bring out your Flip.
All right. So this is my Flip.
Okay. Let's come in front. Okay. We're going to take a group picture with all of you in. Okay, Eric, come, move in. We can see everybody. Okay, Nas, come in also.
Okay.
Okay, so now the phone is too far from us. So what Eric is doing, he's going to use his watch here and controlling the camera through his watch. So right now the preview is loading on the watch. We can just hold on to it. Okay, so Eric has taken the group selfie using the watch, right? Which is quite good, especially when you take the group selfies and you want everybody capturing. You don't want to hold a phone like this or taking all these things. Of course, when it comes to Flip is the best way to take the selfies, where the group selfies. But with a watch, it brings another level convenient to us. But what happens when you take a group selfie and you want to send it to people? How do you send? How do you share the pictures that you have taken in your phone to others? QuickShare, private share, very good.
Okay.
So how many of you use QuickShare? Not really, right? What do you want?
Okay.
Okay, Salam. So let's see how to use the QuickShare first. Can everybody take your Samsung phone, scroll down all the way, and look for the QuickShare.
All right.
On this panel, look for the QuickShare. Hold on to it, and it will bring you to the settings. And over here, who can share with you? Anyone nearby. So please change the settings to anyone nearby, so we can give the picture to every one of you. Okay, so if you can see your name here, please let us know so we can send the picture to you. Which one? Lex. Okay, Lex.
Lex.
Okay, done.
Is Lionel here?
Okay, Lionel.
Is
Lionel is using Note 10, is it? Nice, time to upgrade.
second row, last one. Elena. Okay. Chris. Where is Chris?
Not yet.
Haven't appeared
Is
yet.
anyone nearby?
Yours, I will send it to you later. Don't worry. After this, there is a method. Chris, okay, see it now.
Yeah.
Is that everyone?
Yours is Dawn? This one.
Second row, first. Dawn Flip.
All right. So this is the way you send the pictures to especially people that you don't know. You don't have to ask their WhatsApp number, right? And what other reason that you should use QuickShare to send the picture to them is the
QR code.
high resolution picture, right? Because the picture that you just got is in high resolution. When you send to the WhatsApp, the quality will be lower. So this is one of the reasons you should use QuickShare. Now the question is, every one of you get the picture except our dear friend here who is an Apple user. How do we send the picture to a non-Galaxy user? Also can be done through the QuickShare. So what we're going to do here, in the QuickShare, if everybody pay attention, there's this option, QR code.
Here.
So we're going to click on the QR code. So once he click on the QR code, this QR code will be created and he will just go to our dear friend
here.
He's just going to scan the QR code on his phone and get the
Yes.
picture from us. So QuickShare allow you to share the pictures not only with the Galaxy user, but also non-Galaxy user.
QuickShare is more for
Samsung, and to anyone.
Anyone, basically anyone. Yeah.
So the easier method, the easier way that you demonstrated is for
Samsung.
Yes.
The QR.
The QR
Yes.
one would be the non-Galaxy user.
Yes.
So Android, any Android brands or iPhone. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the QuickShare. So we managed to take a nice group selfie using the watch and then quickly share with everybody in this room over here using the QuickShare feature, even with the non-Galaxy user. So let's move on to the multi-device experience, right? Where, how many of you at home has a Samsung tablet? Samsung tablet, nice. Okay, so do you use your devices together, phone and tablet at one time? Never, right? So this is where actually you can use the devices together. We call it multi-device experience and do things at one time, right? So just example, right now, Eric is putting up his tablet to the TV, which is already connected. And
All right, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to do a multi-control, but first we need to do some setup. So for setup, you need to go to the setting. All right, so my mouse is working great. So you can go to connected device, go in there, and you will see multi-control for here. All right, so you just need to turn it on and go in. Yeah. So from here, you scroll down and you will see connect phone. All right, so here. So these are my phones that's within the same Samsung account. So I am going to use my phone now.
so that's the reason today we started the topic with Samsung account. This is another reason why your Samsung account is good, because when you have the tablet and the phone linked to same Samsung account, you're going to control both devices using one mouse and keypad.
Yeah.
Right. So now, right now he's connecting his both devices with this mouse.
So I'm going to show you, as you can see, my cursor. Yeah,
It's very small,
yeah.
but we will see the magic on the TV itself.
All right. So, all right. So what we're gonna do now? All right. So this is Samsung Note that you're okay. On the TV side is the Samsung Note where we can do the notes or any documents. But what I want to do now is I want to take a photo from my phone. All right. Wait. Sorry. Before that, let me just send it over to my tablet.
Okay, so what's happening here? The group selfie that he just took on his Flip, he's sending to the tablet using the same method, QuickShare. Step 1. Once he has that picture in his tablet, he's gonna work on the notes.
Let me just turn it on first, a quick one. All right, so
Oh, that's a nice picture. Okay.
this is the picture that we just took. So I'm gonna grab it over here. All right, and it's in the notes.
Maybe you can close the gallery.
Okay, so close the gallery now. So from here, I'll just type Masterclass group photo. All right, but what if I wanted to add in more stuff from my other devices, for instance, like my phone? So if let's say I am going to here, which I have just taken it earlier on. Okay, I'll just grab it over here.
Yeah, I think you are just.
Yeah. And yeah. So this photo is actually from my phone. Yeah.
So this picture is taken in this phone. Now, why do we want to do this actually? That's the question, right? Because you can just do the quick share. Is that when you connected the two devices together, is your continuity that continues. You don't have to break that continuity, pick up the phone, then look for the quick share and then move it. Your mouse is connected on the both devices. Even if there's a WhatsApp comes in on this device, you can just go click and type through the keyboard and reply.
Okay, from here you go in and then you can actually choose left or right. because just now it was on the right before I
So
moved
this
it.
maximum is like 2 dB.
In fact, I can put it
Yes.
above now.
Okay.
So yeah, so the cursor will go
easier.
up. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the multi-device experience we are talking about between just two devices, phone and a tablet. Now we're going to bring the multi-device experience one level higher. We're going to bring in the buds into the picture, right? So can we have your Galaxy buds?
Okay, here we go.
Okay,
Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on. Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, the moment he put in the buds, it's auto connected to his tablet. Now what Eric gonna do is,
I'm gonna watch a video. So I'm gonna watch on YouTube. Okay, let's see. I will go to maybe this one here.
all right, so now Eric is watching the video on his tablet. I'm gonna make a call to him. So he can see the call on his tablet that somebody is calling, right, on the tablet. So the moment he answers the call,
Right. Yo yo yo. Yo yo yo.
so the video stopped. It says the bus switched to the Fold 5. So it's auto connected to the phone and he is taking the call. The call is done.
Okay.
Hang up. He put down his phone, is auto connected to the tablet and the video starts. Right. So that's called auto switch. So just to recap, your tablet and the phone both is on Samsung account. Your earbuds is connected to the both devices. You are watching a video on your tablet. A call comes in, your phone is charging far away from you, right? You don't have to get up, pick up the phone to answer the call. You see who's calling on your tablet. You can answer through the earbuds straight away. Once you do that, your video pause. It doesn't continue. You stop there. You continue with your call. The moment you hang up your call, the videos continue, the buds switch back to the tablet. Now, this multi-device experience is not only just about the tablet and the phone. It can also work if you have a Samsung TV at home. You can connect your earbuds with the Samsung TV, watch your Netflix on the TV. The call comes in, your TV will stop, the call will transfer to the phone. You answer the call, finish, and goes back to your Samsung TV. Yeah. So that's called auto switch. Especially at night, watching the TV, having me time, not disturbing anyone else in the family, right? Of course, you can also connect two earbuds with one TV. So husband, wife watching together using their own earbuds. And then you're wondering, then the call comes in how? It depends whose phone calls comes in, right? So that person continue the call, the other person continue the TV. Yeah. So that's the auto switch, all right? Now, we're gonna move.
Need to always reconnect that every time you use two devices, or once you start to connect to multiple devices together, it will forever be locked.
Okay, so once you connect your earbuds with your tablet or your TV or your phone, it's a one-time connection. It stays there, right? So just an
So
example,
if I don't want, I want to stop, I need to.
then you just have to go to Bluetooth and disconnect that. So just an example, I have my personal phone, I have my work phone. Both is connected to the earbuds. So I'm watching YouTube on this phone. If my dear friend call me on the work phone, immediately my buds will switch to my work phone to take the call. And I answer the call, I hang up, it will immediately go back to my phone where I'm watching the video. So any two devices with the earbuds will work. You don't really have to go to the Bluetooth, turn on the settings, and then look for the device and connect again. So it's auto switch, right?
Is this strictly for Galaxy earbuds or?
The auto switch only works for Galaxy earbuds. Yeah, but of course you can connect other earbuds just for the Bluetooth function. Right. So with that, we're gonna move on to the next, which is the
Wallet.
Samsung wallet.
Yes.
Right. So we have a giveaway to some of you, those who are already using the wallet, and those who are not. Today is the time you're gonna start using the Samsung wallet. Right. So what you can do in Samsung Wallet, let's go to the menu.
Okay, all right. So this is the menu.
So have you ever used the membership?
No.
Memberships. Yes, which one do you connect?
Selfie, Uniqlo,
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
IKEA.
IKEA, yes. So if you go to the import previously, it's not import, sorry.
Later. All right.
The select add.
Scan with camera. So this is to add new membership. Okay, so you can, as you can see here, there is a scan with camera. All right.
So why Eric is doing that is because he has this Kitty Palace
Yeah.
membership card with him. Now, this if you go here, you can see which brands available in the Samsung wallet for you to add their membership digitally. But Kitty Palace is not in it. But you can still add this into your wallet manually. So that's what Eric gonna do now.
Okay. So scan. I'm gonna put it over here. All right. So now membership name, Kitty Palace. All right. So membership number here. All right. So all I need to do is just enter done. Oh, save.
There you go. So he has his Kitty Palace membership card with him in the phone. No need to carry the
Yeah.
card anymore. Right. But of course, we still need to check which merchandise use the physical card that we still need to bring. But those who just want to scan the card with the barcode, then we have it in our phone. Same like IKEA. I have also added the IKEA card in my phone because manually it doesn't support in the list. But if you want to take a look at the list, actually there's quite a lot of cards. There's a lot of membership is available. Maybe I'll just quickly go to like Calvin
So we got
Klein.
Esprit, Etude, Gap, Giordano, even Godiva. Oh, Jelly Bunny is here. Kids. Okay, for ladies, La Senza. Levi's also is here. Yeah. Swarovski. Yeah. Body
So
Shop.
all your
yeah.
memberships you can add in here,
Okay.
right? So you don't have to worry about where is my cards or where I can find my membership details. Now, besides the membership card, what's next?
All right, so we have some other goodies here. As you can see, we have points, Samsung reward points, and also I want you to take your eyes down here, promotions. All right, so what do we have here?
So those who have been using Samsung Wallet or are in a Samsung Wallet, go into Samsung Wallet now, click on promotions.
Wait, before that, right? Does anyone have use any Samsung Wallet before?
Yep, just now some of them raised their hand.
Okay, so as you can see, my points is 1,970. Anyone else more than that?
How many points?
37,900.
Woo! Nice.
Okay, very, very long time user. Okay, so right now what I want to show you actually is the promotion part. So as you can see here, there's the present logo here, and then I'll just go in. Okay, so we have some, like Vinay mentioned earlier, we have some goodies for you.
Please click on this and redeem now before it goes away. So Eric, are you going to redeem your voucher now?
Yeah, so I will download it now and then I will use it later on.
Okay,
So I just
the
download
moment today
it.
I found this, I quickly go and click because where I stay, I have Krispy Kreme there.
There, I've downloaded, so this is how the voucher looks like. Okay, and out. So
And of course, don't forget to redeem the bubble tea as well.
there's one more, yeah.
Yep, it's another one, $2 bubble tea.
$2 bubble tea.
Okay, so of course, if you scroll down, there's a lot of other promotions going on. Later, don't forget to redeem.
Actually, the vouchers that you download on the promotion can kind of like be integrated with the ones in the Samsung wallet because I need to manually remember which voucher at which site.
No, actually, it is in your vouchers here, coupons.
Coupons.
It will fall into this.
No, usually this one is so usually the ones over here I have vouchers. I mean mine is not called coupon, mine is called voucher. I don't know if it's the old version.
Yes, or it's not updated yet, correct.
Yeah, but technically all those that I use points to redeem, right, it will all be here. But all the promotion one, I need to sometimes I need to go and figure out where is the vouchers located. And it's actually at 2 different locations.
Actually not. It's all fall here.
One is the rewards, one is
I think
the
rewards very appreciated already.
But the rewards one, the points that I redeem, right, it will all appear under my vouchers over here. So this is what I redeem there. Then
Okay, so let me make it easier for you.
somewhere else.
Let me make it easier for you, right? So what you're gonna do next time, if let's say you redeem a voucher which is not, doesn't fall under this, click on the plus sign and import from the gallery. Just take the screenshot and add into here. So just an example.
Okay.
So just assume this is a voucher, or because it's not a QR code.
So I need
So
to
let's do
screenshot.
enter manually. So just key in the information, which voucher is it, when it's going to expire, what's the coupon code. You can add an image over there. This voucher will stays into this coupon. So it always give you a reminder when this voucher is expiring. So just show you an example. Let me put this phone. Yes.
Like the barcode.
Just like that membership.
Yeah, the membership card.
So let me just show you over here. So as you can see, I have a Tada $5 voucher here. It came from where? Because I added manually, right? So the reason of, and another one like NTUC $5 voucher. The reason I added here is because, like she mentioned, there are too many vouchers. There are so many different apps. Every mall offer their own apps. And then you redeem somewhere parking coupon, somewhere this voucher, somewhere that voucher, a lot of things, right? But what happens? We don't remember. Sometimes we forget to use. So this, take it as your library of all the vouchers that reminds you which voucher is expiring when, right? So this is the reason I use Samsung Wallet, the vouchers part. So my Tada voucher, which is not part of this, is here. My NTC voucher, which is not part of this, is also here. Okay. And just wanted to show the points are really real. I'm also accumulating, right? So if you have not started using the Samsung Wallet, please go and start using it. Especially all small little payments gives you the points. So if you are a gold member, you get 30 points. If you are a silver, you get 10 points, 20 points. If you are bronze, you get 10 points. Any $1 payment also gets you the points. If you're using a phone for your MRT and buses, right? The Simply Go also gives you the point. So, one day you make up and down office, come back, you make the trip, you maybe spend $2 to $3, and that gives you the point as well, right? So that's the benefit of
It's per transaction.
per transaction.
Yes.
Yes, that's the benefit.
Yeah.
So that's why I like tap and go, tap and go, tap and go.
Okay, 50 per one.
Yes, of course. There's always a limit. Right? So that's where you will have your payment cards, but also you can link your transit card.
Yeah.
Right? So one benefit that Samsung offers is you do not have to activate your wallet. You don't have to open up your wallet. As long as you add the transit card, you just tap and go. It will work for you. And if you have your watch, it gets more convenient. You just tap and go. So one of the example, if you have kids, you're carrying your kids, and then you don't have to look out for your wallet or your phone. You just use your watch and go. You're carrying groceries in both hands. You don't have to look out for your phone. Where is it? Just use your watch, tap, and go. Right?
In
So
fact,
that's
you
the
do not
convenience.
have to press any button. You just tap. Can.
Yeah.
Does the phone need to be nearby?
No.
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 But the setting must be done before you use.
Before use.
Yeah.
All right. So that's on the Samsung Wallet, and some points for you to redeem. Some vouchers for you all to use. Now, sorry,
No. Unfortunately, no. It
The
cannot be
points
transferred. Yeah.
can you redeem the points? Then just tell me what is the voucher code. I go and redeem for you.
What happens if you change phone? Yeah,
It
Change phone,
follows
no
your
problem.
it follows your
Change phone,
account.
Samsung Wallet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. But if you willing to transfer your 30,000 points, do let me know. I will find a way to do it. Right. Okay, nice. All right. So next, how many of you have used Bixby before for your Galaxy phones? Never. Wow, interesting.
Okay.
That seems you have a lot of time to manage your tasks, right? But we love to use Bixby, right? Because in our work life, is there so many things that we do on a daily basis, right? And then, of course, after the work is the family time, where you may not have time to remember every single thing that you need to do. And that's where you sometimes prefer, can I get a personal assistant to remind me of my things that I need to do? Right? So that's where Bixby comes into the picture, which is really useful. I would really encourage you to start using it, right? So just an example.
Hi Bixby. Set alarm at 8.
Your alarm for 2000 hours will ring in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So just an example.
Okay, time passes very fast.
Yes.
Okay.
You are taking a nap, right? Yeah. And the phone is there, but you just do not want to grab it, right? But you need to wake up in 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Bixby, turn on an alarm in 15 minutes, that's it, and it's done, right? Or what else? I thought today your wife told you to do something. This morning you told me.
Yeah, so there's one thing that my wife will always ask me to do, which is something buy my daughter's diapers or milk powder or her yogurt. So when on the way back, I will always pass by Sheng Siong. That's why the request. So I will always forget, and so with Bixby, I can actually set a reminder. Hi Bixby, set reminder at 7 p.m. buy diapers.
Your reminder's saved by diapers
Yeah.
7 p.m. tomorrow.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's tomorrow, huh? Because you already passed.
Because
7.
I always pass by there at about 7 p.m. That's why I put it at 7 p.m. By the time I reach there. Yeah.
Now, when I got to learn about this, I started using it. I find it very useful. But of course, there's time, right? You're in the train, and then suddenly remember, I need to set this reminder. And then, but so many people around me, how I want to talk to Bixby? It'll be late here. But what you can do is, you can still turn on your Bixby, and then you see this keyboard here. And then you just type, what do you want to tell Bixby? Just imagine if you want to create a task or a reminder. First, look for calendar, then look for the date, then tap add, then you type the message, then the time. You have to do all that thing just to set one reminder. Whereas here, you just tell Bixby, remind me tomorrow 8 o'clock buy diapers. That's it. Then Bixby will do that for you. All right, done. So I saved so many tap, find this, find that, and doing this. Bixby do that for me, right? So
It reminds you, can you just say stop and you will stop the.
Stop the reminder.
Yes.
I can cancel the reminder. Hi Bixby.
As in like when it
Interrupt, right?
reminds you, then you interrupt and say stop. Like you just look
How
like, hey
Google
Google,
does
Google just say stop. And
Yep.
stop the alarm, stop whatever it is.
yes, you can do that. So you can tell Bixby to stop the reminder. You can even tell Bixby answer the call. But all these settings you have to turn on, right? So let's say a call comes in and your phone is there, but you know who, doesn't matter whoever is calling. Hi Bixby, answer the call. It will do for you.
If I want to prank people, then I just go around
There's
saying,
no one
"Does
calling
it
right now."
Okay, this is where the things come out. Like just now he has been talking to his phone, but my Bixby didn't wake up, right? It's all about giving the practice, right? Communicating more with your Bixby, so it recognizes your voice. It recognizes your pronunciation, right? How you talk. So all this is important. The more you use, the more you are teaching your personal assistant your behavior, right?
Can you change the trigger word?
Like,
So that not Bixby.
Yeah,
Uh,
like you give it a name or something.
I don't
So that
know,
it's
never
more
tried before.
personalized.
Never tried before because
Something for you guys
I
to
like
do.
my personal assistant to be Bixby. So never tried that before really. We're gonna check it out. Yeah, in the settings. You think Ken?
You can shorten it to just Bixby.
Yes. It's either Hi Bixby or Bixby.
Or still Bixby.
Yes.
You see, he mentioned that name so many times, it never appear.
So it depends how do you command that.
So yeah.
So of course, not only from that, you can use Bixby on your watch as well if you have a watch, right? So for me, I like to call my wife all the time using Bixby, right? So just carrying my things in the hand and want to call, then just, hi Bixby, call my wife. And Simple as that. He's going to start calling my wife.
Okay.
Right? So this is the benefit that I use my phone when it comes to the Bixby. Right? It's not just the reminder. The one was the reminder. Another one is the calendar,
and then
alarm,
alarms.
check your weather. A lot of things that you can do hands-free with Bixby. Right? That's more important. And again, just a reminder that it can work on the watch as well. So especially if, let's say, driving, don't want to pick up the phone, I just from the watch, hi Bixby, call my wife. So it does. Right? Yes.
Is that a shopping cart concept? Like add
Shop-
diapers to my shopping cart. That as you go along the day, like, so what's on my shopping cart? Then you like,
That's a good one. We should try that out.
Yeah.
Google is that. So I was asking.
Maybe we're going to try that out. So example, I create a shopping cart into my Samsung Note.
A shopping list.
Yeah, so then I call that a shopping list and say, tell Bixby, add diapers into my shopping list. Yeah, might be possible. We're going to try that for sure.
Yeah.
That's a good point. So that's on the Bixby. But just to share with you, if let's say you are using some smart services at home, right, smart devices, right, and you want to control through your phone, which goes back to the SmartThings, right, also can be controlled through your Bixby. So when you reach home, you can say, hi Bixby, I'm home. Then everything turns on, lights on, the icon on, blinds goes up. Bixby, good night. Then Bixby turns on your devices that is connected to the SmartThings app. So all that can be done through the Bixby. Right. So what we have covered today in this estimate 45 to 50 minutes is Samsung account, camera controller, QuickShare, multi-device experience between the multi-control tablet and the phone, and auto switch, Samsung wallet, Bixby. Once again, thank you so much everyone for coming down today. It was our pleasure to have you here, for your time, your attention, and especially the feedback throughout the session that you gave us is some good learnings for us as well. We're going to give a try to those things that you mentioned and see how it goes.